Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Morning Star. This powerful early-game weapon is found in the Weeping Peninsula, a region south of Limgrave. You'll need to travel there and locate a specific carriage. The Morning Star is inside a chest at the back of this carriage, often guarded by enemies. It's a great choice for faith builds or anyone needing a good blunt weapon. To begin, head south from Limgrave. Your destination is the Bridge of Sacrifice, which connects Limgrave to the Weeping Peninsula. Be prepared for some resistance, as soldiers and a ballista often guard the bridge. Once you've cleared the path or ridden past them, cross over to enter the Weeping Peninsula, a rainy land full of new discoveries. After arriving in the Weeping Peninsula, follow the main road heading southeast. Keep an eye out for a broken-down carriage. This carriage is typically found on the road leading towards Castle Morn, often surrounded by various enemies like soldiers or trolls. You don't need to defeat all of them, but be cautious as you approach. Once you've located the carriage, carefully approach its rear. You will find a chest at the back. Simply open this chest to claim your Morning Star. This hammer is an excellent early-game weapon, known for its ability to inflict blood loss and its effectiveness against armored foes. Enjoy your new, spiky addition to your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.